So I think it's quite remarkable what a wonderful place the Avon Valley is. You know, we're bringing people to the Avon Valley that wouldn't normally come and visit the Avon Valley, and I think it's great for this very local community with people that are born and bred to have people that come from all over the world. I like that concept of what Ballooning brings to it.
My name is Nick Brow, hot air balloon pilot, own Liberty Balloon Flight, and we fly here in the Avon Valley in the winter months, so from April till the end of October. The weather's very predictable, so we got good weather. It's beautiful here in the winter, which is when we fly, and it's only an hour away from Perth, so it's just a combination of those. It doesn't get better than this. So ballooning is all about being able to fly safely, and so we're looking at the weather continuously to see if we can and cannot fly. 80% of the days are flyable over here, but we're analyzing the winds and the forecast continuously. So our morning starts very early, so we meet passengers 1.5 hours before sunrise, which means we are awake another hour at least before that. The pilots go outside, we inflate our little helium balloon. That helium balloon, we attach a little LED light to it, and we just see it float away into the night sky. And we look at different variations in direction at different heights. After looking at this, we finally decide which launch site we're going to use that morning. Then we're going to be driving to the launch field with all the passengers. It is a very hands-on activity, ballooning. Passengers help us on inflation, what we call audience participation. And it takes about 30 minutes, 40 minutes to inflate the balloon. Once the balloon is inflated, passengers jump on board. We have a bit of a safety briefing, just explaining what we need from them on landing. We only fly at sunrise. Sunrise is the safest moment of the day to fly. It's a very incredible microclimate here in the Avon Valley, and especially here in Northam. And early mornings, very, very calm winds on the surface, and then very often good speed aloft. It's pretty unique. I've been flying here for 6 seasons now, and I just absolutely love it here. There's a lot of steerage, so at different heights you're flying in different directions. You can actually direct the balloon using these different air currents to good landing areas, which is always grazing lands, and it's just a beautiful place. I mean, through the winter it gets, we have all the canola fields out in flower at the moment, extremely green, nice countryside and hills out towards the west, from 2J down to York, out here towards Northam. It's just a beautiful place to fly, and it's only an hour away from Perth.
Hot air balloons just float in the wind. We have a lot of control in altitude, so we use the winds at different layers to navigate those different angles to go from A to B. So we don't go around and land in the same place. We take off from one paddock, or we're going to be landing at another paddock. We choose a good landing site. Our crew are following us as we are flying. We have the crew chasing us on the vehicles. Once we've landed, we pack the balloons away and go back to have breakfast with the passengers. We depend on landowners allowing us to use their fields to take off and land. And yeah, we get a lot of support from them. I think the landowners here, the farmers, understand that ballooning is actually very good for the town, not only because we employ people here, but everybody that comes to do ballooning, 50% of the people spend the night here, spend money in the area. Landowners are very friendly with us, and I enjoy country life compared to living in a city. It's just beautiful. I've been doing this for the last 33 years of my life, and to be very honest with you, I enjoy every flight as if it was the first one. I don't know what it is, you have a passion and you follow that, but there's nothing better that I could be doing in the morning than being up in a balloon, enjoying what I do with the passengers that come up and to have a good time with us. I just love it.